Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. One question we hear a lot in Plano is, why do road construction projects take so long to complete? Hopefully we can help answer that question so you'll understand the process a little better. There are many phases to our road construction projects. First off, utility lines must be replaced beneath the roads, one section at a time. That may include water, sewage, and drainage. Once finished, those lines must be tested and approved before they're put into service. That's time-consuming. One consistent goal with each project is to create the least amount of negative impact on our residents. To keep traffic moving, pavement is replaced on half of a road at a time, usually on one road at a time. This limits the need for extensive detours through construction areas and impacts smaller areas. But that approach can extend the duration of construction. Old pavement must be removed. Then we mix materials like lime and cement into the soils beneath the pavement. The soils must be compacted and tested to ensure they are suitable platforms for new pavement. Rebar is set to provide added strength and durability within the new pavement. Finally, new pavement is installed. Unforeseen conflicts may also cause delays in construction. For example, for every 2 days of rain, a project may be delayed 1 week. Private utilities with fiber and cable can also pose challenges that may force our engineers to make unexpected design changes. Supply chain issues are causing delays in the availability of some materials, including concrete and pipe. So you can clearly see the reasons why road construction takes time. It's a complicated process. But here's the good news. Once the road work is done, it's good for about 50 years. Now, to reduce costs, we often focus on a larger area at one time. That may take a little longer, but it saves tax dollars. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.